Hey y'all, welcome to B-Rad Garage. If you haven't seen a video on this old truck before, this is Bones. I used to just call it the orange truck because I'm horrible at naming things. My buddy Andy said, hey, what about Bones? Because this was my old man's truck, the 74 Chevy 3/4 ton C20. Got all these crazy like skeleton stickers and whatnot on it, so I thought it was a pretty good name for it. So as you can tell, it's kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Didn't have any gas. It runs and drives. Couldn't get it started. So thought I'd pull it. Kind of gave up on that. But I got it out from the scrub out there. It's wearing a hat right now. So get off me, grasshopper. Anyway, so this is Bones with a hat because today we're going to try to beautify it a little bit. Oh, goodness. I'll take that breeze. And put a window decal on the back. So let me get y'all resituated. And we'll kind of take a quick walk around and see what y'all think of old Bones. Hey y'all, welcome to B-Rad Garage. Yeah, I'm already sweating, breathing hard. Cheese and rice. So we're gonna fire up old Bones. That's that 74 Chevy out there. I'll do a little more of an intro on that when we get up here into the shade. I was just gonna do a little bit of cosmetic, kind of a fun thing today. Wouldn't start. Well, she's out of gas. Guess who else is out of gas? The old B-Rad Garage compound. We got nothing. So I got a chain around the ridiculously awesome front bumper my dad made. Got it hooked to the tow hook on the Jeep, and I'm assuming it'll move it. We'll go down there, we'll make sure it's in neutral, and hopefully y'all will see me just nice and easily pull it right through here. I got the little 6-cylinder Jeep in 4-wheel drive, and let's see what we can do. Probably switch it over to time lapse because this is not going to be a fast process most likely. See y'all in a few. Well, B-Rad Garage is always good, bad, and the ugly. Could it have done it? Probably, most likely, but we're not gonna be doing any yanking and snatching on chains and all that. Guess I'm just being lazy. I've got a little Kubota UTV down there. So we'll unhook this, we'll get the little Kubota. It's a little heavier, a little more compact, a little diesel, and we'll get back with y'all. All right, take two. Man, I wish I had some gas. It'd be so much easier to just drive it up here. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, old Bones is a 74 Chevy 3/4 ton. Check out this sweet fuel tank my dad made out of a air compressor that wasn't working anymore, out of the compressor tank. It had no bed in it. He made this kind of flatbed for it, and the plywood had rotted, so I put a 2x4 bed in it. That was a fun little project. Got a video on that too. Inside, bare bones interior. It's actually, you see like these fancier door cards and this seat and everything. It's actually out of my grandpa's truck, a 73 half ton. It's sitting over there in the weeds. It's just a parts truck now, but it donated that door and these fancier door cards. What I really dig about this truck is it's an old 4 on the floor. It's a Granny Gear 4-speed. So I like it. Neat old truck, super light in the back. It spins the old skinny tires and everything, but it's a neat truck. My dad had it and he really liked it. He did things like the dollar store wheel cover, and he used to have one of those tap lights up here for like a interior light. But yeah, so I think today we're going to scratch off some of the old stickers and see if we can't get a new window decal on here. All right, we're here under our umbrella. Thank goodness gracious. It is just wildly hot out here. It's June down here in Texas, and it feels like it's August. It's been wild. But anyway, I had these made at a local place. I really dig them. Got the kind of the B-Rad Garage, I can't even talk, so hot. B-Rad Garage logo, make it B-Rad, y'all, on the bottom. I thought I'd put it right here on the center of the truck. You know, that way you can't see anything, and you're and you're definitely hampered vision in the back. But let's be honest, this old truck's not even really going to get out of the pasture, I don't think. Its life is just an old pasture truck. But it's 12 by 12 and takes up most of the window, which is kind of what I wanted. So I don't know if I want to kind of cheat and put it here at the bottom and have it, or try to center it and kind of do the measurements and all that good stuff. So I think for the first step, I'm going to take a razor blade and we're going to peel all this stuff off. So let's see if we can't get that going. So we want to get off this old I don't know about that. We'll see. It's like sticky. That's weird. But this old sticker here, we'll see if it'll just come off. I just have a razor blade off my utility knife. Just gonna try to take it easy. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, get up there. Score. Okay. These little guys, this was a Chevrolet bow tie logo. Heck yeah. Nice. Okay, now, I guess we need to see what this is. Ooh. Okay, all right. This is not really it's the right tool, but not in the right format. They make these where they have a handle on them. They can slide and whatnot, so. But for these that have been just cooking in the sun, well, heck yeah. That's awesome. Oh, I dug in a little bit, I think. It kind of scratched. Okay, got the residue off. Now, I just need to wash this sucker. Kind of spray it down, clean it off a little bit, and then try to find me something big enough to pretend it's a squeegee. We may end up with a 2x4 out here, y'all. You never know about me. But anyway, let's see what we can get into. So I think the supplies you would need, especially if you're trying to do this right, would be something to scrape off any old decals, like we got a razor blade, your decal, something that you can kind of squeegee it with. This is a piece of random foam board I found, because I don't have, well, I forgot my real squeegee. But even if you don't have one, if it's a small sticker, you can use like a credit card or something. But you're gonna want something to kind of, as we go down, kind of squish that down and try to get any air bubbles out or whatever. And of course, I have a power rate over here because it's also 1,000,000 degrees down here. Cleaning the glass, this Glass Plus is a little suspect to me because it's bright green and smells a lot like Simple Green, the cleaner. So I'm just assuming that it's Simple Green, the cleaner. But I think you would actually want an actual glass cleaner to clean it. And if I'm not mistaken, light soapy water can help you kind of move the decal, move the sticker just a little bit so it doesn't just plan itself down. But we're gonna see what we can't get into with what we got here. All right, let's see what we can't get. Go on, God blessed wasp, get. I don't know if y'all have seen in my other videos, but there's always a dang wasp around me. I don't know why. And these red wasps are just angry as get out, especially during the summer months, man. They don't like the heat either, and they act a fool. Anyway, sorry about that, y'all. All right, let me get this not Glass Plus on here. Where'd my napkins go? Ugh. Maybe we needed the Simple Green. Oh gosh, look at that, y'all. I can feel like the gross underneath it. Man, that sticker wouldn't have stuck to nothing, y'all. Goodness gracious. Okay, come on. Yeah, that's gotta be, well, I don't know. It kind of smells like Simple Green. I think it is. One more time, maybe? All right, one more time for everybody in the back. Hopefully, I don't even know if the old camera, which is just my phone, I hope to have a real camera one day, can tell how different it is. I can see it, that's for sure. Goodness gracious. That's awesome. I've also had this shade up, this umbrella for about an hour now because the glass was hot to the touch. So I figured that probably wasn't great for adhesion. What we got here? Is that a outside thing? What is that? Maybe it is an outside thing. Interesting. Yep. That's not. That's an inside thing. That was an outside thing. Okay. What we got here? Get out. rest of that sticker we pulled off earlier. Feel smooth. What is that? Man, I tell you, I've always thought it was awesome. Those cats that do this for a living. Even if you're not doing something super huge like wrapping a car, man, getting something perfectly straight and lined up, and that's an exercise in patience, and that's a skill set, man. Let's see if we're gonna measure or what we're gonna do to try and get this in the center of this old rig. All right, y'all, be proud of me. I fought all my natural instincts, and I didn't just eyeball it and shoot it up here. Because let's be honest, I'm not gonna have the pudding eagle eye anyway. Pudding's Fab Shop, he's got the eagle eye. What do we got here? For just windshield, I'm sorry, that's upside down, y'all. For just windshield, got 64 inches. Well, half of 64 is 32, ain't it? Oh, look at that, nice. So I was wondering if these screws under here were the center of the truck, and it looks like they are. That's awesome. So here's another thing I think I'm gonna do. I found some painter's tape I've got here, and what I'm thinking is we put this painter's tape down, because like I told y'all, I thought about cheating and just putting it at the bottom here. So let's put the painter's tape here. That's pretty straight. Maybe. Okay. Nope. So my idea here is to hopefully have a straight edge to work off of where we go right here. And then we can eyeball it here. We put that there. Nope, it's not gonna be the same. Man, I was hoping this was gonna center, but it's gonna be close to the top. It would need to be about halfway. About halfway. Let's fold it in half, y'all. You want to? Let's do it. This is science at its finest. I don't know if this is y'all's first video watching me. You're gonna be like, this guy does not know what he's doing. The thing is that if you have seen in my other videos, I always make sure to tell y'all that I do not know what I'm doing. But you gotta learn sometime, right? And for me, a good way to learn is to do. So let's see. Let's go right here. All right, that's about a finger width. If we go up here, it's gonna be about 2 finger widths. No? Let's see what we got here. Just a little bit more. So that's pretty good for me, y'all. We're talking just a shade. Well, I mean, it's probably 1/4 inch. But anyway, I think that's pretty good for me. I'm gonna shut my yapping, and then we're gonna try to actually lay this in the next scene. Okay, y'all, here's where the magic happens. So we're gonna peel this off here, get it off the backing. And you wanna go from the top down. I do know that. But I wanna know kind of where my, let's see here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think it already stuck, y'all. No. Okay, we made it. We made it. Come on, little buddy. Okay, good deal, good deal. All right. Woo, easy. So if I go right here, finger. All right. I think that's gonna work, y'all. We might be in the land of no return here. So let's just own it. What do y'all say? I hope I'm not blocking y'all too much. Well, for better or for worse, y'all, here we are. I don't know if this cardboard's any thicker. An actual squeegee is much more, it's flexible, but it's plastic usually, and it's much stronger. So let's see what we got here. All right, y'all. Moment of truth here. Nice and slow. Okay. Okay. Is that a spot right there? Could be. I'm worried about the words, y'all. The bottom. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Almost 2 fingers. Almost 2 fingers. For me, that's daggone perfection. Check it out, y'all. Oh man, that's cool. I don't know if it looks cool to y'all, or that is neat to me though, man. Oh man, I've been rambling for like 3 minutes. Man, that was cool. Might be some spots right here. Definitely a bubble right there. Can we walk it out? I don't know. May try to do that, I may not. Heck yeah, y'all. Now look, if we really get up in here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We have 2 definite bubbles here, 1 here. So this is not perfect by any means. I think it's my fault for not having the right squeegee. But I'm not 100% centered as well. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This R should probably be here instead of the A. But for my first time ever, I'm okay with it, guys. I'm thinking it's pretty cool, y'all. What do y'all think? I hope y'all dig it. I really appreciate y'all watching and hanging out. Even if you learned what not to do today, I hope you learned something. Y'all are awesome. Get out there and keep making it B-Rad, everybody. I don't know if this shot will come through, but it's pretty cool because the mirror reads it. And there is a big red ball there, you know, but I can actually still see around it. Again, this is just an old pasture truck, but still, not too bad. Hey y'all, this is from a prior video, but wanted y'all to see this thing run and cut a couple donuts. I love this old piece of junk. Ooh. Appreciate y'all coming along for the ride, everybody. It's hot as a firecracker out here. I'm under my little shade tree I made. I know we didn't do a ton to Old Bones today, but I do have a couple of videos. I'll try to link in the description. We got one where we get it going. We got one where we make the bed. We cut some pasture donuts in it. I'd love to do pasture donuts for y'all today. However, the whole gas situation keeping us from that. But anyway, y'all are awesome. Always appreciate everything you do, the likes, comments, subscribes. I really hope I can keep doing this. I hope y'all are finding it entertaining, maybe even getting something out of it, learning something. I don't know, even if it's learning what not to do. But anyway, y'all take it easy out there. Keep getting out there and making it B-Rad, everybody. We'll see y'all later.